far we've been talking about having pure heart. But as human beings, we tend to give in to our temptations, which results in us making wrong decisions, which results in us having impure heart. I have with me here a glass of pure water, and let's say this represents our life. I have with me here also a few things to represent the things that comes into our life that makes our heart impure. For example, greed, selfish, how about lying, and how about being ungrateful? Would you drink this water now? See, this is what happens to our life. A lot of impurities comes in. But God says He wants us to have a pure heart. So what some people do, they try to remove the impurities by being good, by doing charity work. But nothing changes. So this is where God comes in. So what God does is He keeps guiding us, and it's only by listening to what He wants us to do and leading a virtuous life is what makes us pure again. So remember, it's not about how we got an impure heart. What matters is that how we can make it pure again.